Oh dear. Exclusive.
Slightly more music.
First time
All
ever.
right, you are back on 23 FM where the red hot hits are coming at you 24 hours a day on your home base of Oz Rock. Right now we're halfway through a no repeat, commercial free all request ultimate album side workforce music marathon. And let's kick it along with this guy.
I'm a skateboarder rocker, my haircut's a shocker, and my clothes are upshot rejects. I got a new sensation, a strange relationship with Jason Dannerman's ex. Sometimes I think I'm Jagger, sometimes I look like a dog. I just wish I could dance in the stupid back pants, but it's hard enough to even walk, yeah.
You got your stereo dial anchored on 23 FM, this country's biggest and best music mix. And speaking of big, let's do some Dragon.
We've been around so many years, no one knows our age. But when we play at concerts now, they reinforce the stage. We're blocking out the April sun every time we move about. Oh, we haven't had a groupie since Jenny Quay kicked us out.
And don't forget, Mark and the boys will be down in Melbourne this weekend playing support to the Westgate Bridge. You're on 23 FM, and hey, we just got a message here from the boys in blue for the owner of a white Porsche, Rego number stud 1. You're a complete wanker. All right, let's go way back now. Former king of pop, now the king of cool, Daryl.
Well, I used to wear tight satin flares and drive teenage girls insane. Now those stacks are gone and my shirt stays on, but the mic technique is still the same. Sometimes now as the days go by, I remember with disbelief one summer when old Sid was a boy and my friends all had their own teeth.
Yeah, there's a guy who wrote the book, and like a fine bottle of wine, he just keeps on getting better. How's that?
Good.
Here's Kate.
Oui, mes besoins, mes grandes. When I mention my love dimensions, who could possibly resist? With these bedroom eyes and cowboy thighs, I'm a sexy Scientologist. Sometimes I sing the blues, sometimes it's disco pop. Sometimes I wonder how I squeezed into this top.
Are we talking about one foxy lady or what? Coming to you loud and live right here on your classic rock connection. 23 FM.
We sang of dust and blue sky mines and people forced to beg. I look like a man that's trying to dance with 240 volts up each leg. So put down that toupee. I don't need no hair, just a decent hat, a seat in the Senate and some chiropractic care.
Okay, you're on 23 FM, cruising through another classic rock regatta, and time to check out today's weather. Fine and mild, that's the call from the boys in the bureau. And speaking of calls, hello.
Hello, am I on?
Yeah.
G'day, it's Wayne here. I just wanted to say how much I enjoy the music you're playing.
Hey, thanks a lot.
Yeah, not very much at all.
Thanks, Wayne. Just for you, let's backtrack now with 5 more in a row.
I boost record sales.
We look like beach whales.
I like to be in bed by 9:15.
Gotta be a superstar with the right producer and a decent price.
Our records don't go gold, they just go green.
Ain't it the truth? 23 FM, ready to rock, and got some traffic news here. It's heavy downtown, moving slow in the suburbs, and the freeway's doing what a freeway should. And you know, I've been thinking, hey, call me a greenie, but ain't it time this government did something about the ozone layer and hydrofluorocarbons? I mean, what is the correct spelling? Let's get that sorted out, right? Yeah. But time to get heavy. Let's get straight into our